Vatican City, September 12, 2019, 9:25 a.m. CNA. Pope Francis announced Thursday his newest initiative to form an international and interreligious alliance, which he described as «Global Village», to educate each child and promote care for the Earth. Never before has there been such need to unite our efforts in a broad educational alliance, to form mature individuals capable of overcoming division and antagonism, and to restore the fabric of relationships for the sake of a more fraternal humanity. Pope Francis said in a video message announcing the educational initiative September 12. I renew my invitation to dialogue on how we are shaping the future of our planet and the need to employ the talents of all, since all change requires an educational process aimed at developing a new universal solidarity and a more welcoming society, he said. More at the link in the description.